If you only have 1 minute to kill your abs, this exercise is for you. They're called Teeter Totters. Let's go. Set it up on the ground. Your lower back is touching. Your hands are at the base of your butt, top of your thighs. Extend your legs out, and we're gonna go. The tighter your butt, the better for the back. So all you're doing is every time you tap your heel or your back, you are contracting your abs. These are very difficult. If you feel neck strain, then don't do them. If you feel back strain, then don't do them. But this is an amazing way to work the core and kill your abs. I'm gonna keep going. So tap, tap. Every time you tap, contract your rib cage. Relax your shoulders. Hold on to those legs. Ready? We're gonna do speed heaters. Oh my goodness. Pick up the pace. Do not lose your form. Focus on the contraction of the abs. Squeeze your booty. We've only got a couple more. Last 3, 2, and 1. Killer abs, Teeter Totters. Until next time.